Nongalam ke BJP bat Menteri Sorkar Barim Ubail Hek hakashpau tarik jeliong. Ula kentu ya ke Sorkar pedeng. Bahkan aino kajing itu ya kaktin kasi bat garu hakakernit ke bapra ni 8 schedule. Jong kariti sensyar jong kari. Hadin baka Sorkar Meghalaya. Dangshen kelapan mi ya kaan new ordinance ban itu kumkiktin Sorkar ni official language. Ubah hek ulaong baka Sorkar MDA kalada banshim kasin jam badan kam hagiker dan jong kejela. Bat kasin jam kebabut menta kalong ban pai kemat syak Sorkar pedeng. Banyo ya kajing itu hapo kari. Kajing penrung ya kaktin kasi bat garu. Dangshen ngilayu i baka Sorkar MDA 2 kalada menjor ya ordinance kabala menjor daulat kejela. Ngila leru ya kani hagipor beradam ling bak ordinance ong ubah hek. Ubah hek ula ong baka BJP menta kan but din ya kani kakam bat ka Sorkar pedeng kenang banyo ya kajing itu da kariti sensyar jong kari. Kabakong san menta hang ni kalong bangi haban kerpat bat kintu ya ka Sorkar India bahkan penrung ya ketin kasi bat garu haka 8 schedule jong kariti sensyar jong kari. Kenang banyo ya kajing itu bapura ula ong. Habakali halot kesin jam balashim da ka BJP. Ubah hek ula ong banakalyang ka jong u. Bat wepat u MLA ka party. Ubadeiru u Menteri Sorkar. Kilabut din ya kani kajing dawan na ka Sorkar pedeng. Ka BJP kadan arngot ki MLA. Hagaba uwe uday u Menteri Sorkar. Bat nyebut din ya kani ban pentik na baka Sorkar India. Kan ai kajing itu ya kaktin kasi bat garu da kaba penrung haga kernet kaba pra jong kariti sensyar kari India ula ong.
Of the Khasi and Garo language. So recently we have seen the government of Meghalaya, MDA government, MDA 2, have already sent that ordinance and approved by the Honorable Governor. So this one we have been done in the past also for the ordinance. Now also, before also and now also, in Meghalaya, state of Meghalaya, the Khasi and Garo is the associate official language. Now also, it is already through the ordinance only. So now the important here is we have to we have to request and appeal to the government of India to include into the 8th schedule for the recognitions of the Khasi and the Garo language. Our BJP and also we have two MLA, one the Honorable Minister, we are pursuing this to ensure that the government of India will recognize the Khasi and the Garo languages to include into the 8th schedule of the constitutions of India.